and welcome back to Little Miss Drop Stitch. I'm so glad that you've started your knitting journey, and today I'm going to show you how to do the knit stitch. The first thing to do is just make sure you're never knitting with the tail, okay? This is what we cast on with. If it's massively too long, and sometimes it is even after, about 13 years of knitting, you can just snip it a bit or fold it and knot it together. But whatever you're doing, you're knitting, we don't need to use that, so keep that to your left-hand side. Okay, here's the needle with our cast on stitches. And then to the right of us, we've got our yarn attached to the ball, okay? So you want the stitches in your left hand needle, and to work them we hold the other needle in our right hand, and that at the moment is empty. Okay, so the first thing to do, we are aiming to go through the front to the back of the stitch, okay? So I'll show you from a couple of different angles. Brilliant, so we've gone from the front of the stitch to the back, and then we are going to wrap the yarn around the right hand needle, okay? Wrap it round, and then what we want to do is take the stitch that's trapped on the left hand needle, we want to take it over this right hand needle here. So the stitch from the left to the right hand needle, okay? And we'll just keep it there for now. And then it's trapped again, so we want to take the right hand needle over the left, and that will pull the stitch off the left and put it on the right needle, okay? There we go. I'll do that again without me nattering, and you can see it from a different angle. If we look at our right hand needle, look, there we go, we've made some stitches, that's the V's, and that's what a knit stitch looks like, okay? I know the kind of hobby as a whole is called knitting, but there's different types of stitches, and this is the knit stitch. Okay, so we can carry on to the end. And the way I'm knitting is English style, okay? English style is where the yarn's on your kind of right side. Brilliant, we're now at the end of our row and you have successfully completed the knit stitch. If you feel you need to go back a pace, then I'll link below the cast on video, and if you're ready for the next bit, then I will link the video for how to purl.